This to me, it's in Clifton. I hope you guys can come and try our Greek cuisine food. It's very authentic and very good. Thank you.
I got some Greek food over here, guys. From It's Greek to Me. Thank you for getting me this food. And everybody in there was super nice. I wasn't there, but thank you. Let's try this right here. Delicious.
What is that?
Octopus. Grilled octopus. With olive oil. This is lamb chunks. And this is a Greek salad. Very healthy. I like these right here. These little peppers. I love these peppers. I'm just trying everything. There's that tzatziki sauce right there. And I'm on a little diet, but I'm not gonna eat this pita right here. I gotta cook with pita, a lot of pita. You can make yourself a nice little pita, little gyro. But this right here is out of this world. Wow. Let me serve myself a plate. Let me stop being a pig. Let's see. Some of the salad in there. This is a lot of freaking food. This is a lot. I'm gonna give this a score of 9.3. Delicious. Super fire. Tzatziki sauce right here. It's Greek to Me. Clifton, fire. Official. I highly recommend it, guys. All right, peace.